This is my voice one day after joining YugaTech. This is my voice 1 week after joining YugaTech. This is my voice 1 month after joining YugaTech. What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech. So we're back in the studio. Happy New Year guys. But before we talk about 2019, I want to bring you back to the last couple of years, 2017 and 2018. So these 2 years, for us, it was kind of an experiment. We were trying to see where we fit in the whole tech scene in YouTube and where we fit in as content creators ourselves. And if you guys remember, if we have any longtime viewers out there watching, just remember, 2017 and especially early 2018, our videos were kinda, kinda cringy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god. And then, early 2018 came, it was getting a little bit better. So mid-2018 was when we tried to establish our own standards, our own style, and things started to get better. So in late 2018, things got really rolling for us. We kind of found where we want to be, we found the style we wanted to go for, and the content just got better. And now, it's 2019, we have a fresh slate. We have a whole year to learn more, to grow, and to improve with you guys. So as I was saying earlier, in 2017 and 2018, we didn't really have a solid direction, and now we kinda do. I can't really express the sort of direction we're planning to go with for this year, but I can promise you it's going to be quality content. But the one thing I can promise you guys is, for now, I can promise 1 video a day on weekdays. That's Monday to Friday, and then moving forward, we can do Monday to Saturday and even, 7 days a week.
Woo!
1 video a day, 24/7.
Quality.
But the priority is quality content. Take that promise with a grain of salt, because that's 5 videos a week and we're still going to prioritize quality. So we might miss one, we might make more, but I can promise that most of them, if not all of them, will be quality. To create that kind of quality videos, what do we need? We need a dedicated, good team for our YouTube channel and for our website for that matter. So in the video side of things on YouTube, we have me. I mainly do hosting, or script writing, some shooting, some editing. We also have Kim, who also does hosting. We have Ali, who is our main video editor and shooter. We have AJ, we have Alex B, we have Aril. You might have seen some of them in the credits or in some videos they've hosted. On the editorial side, handling the website, we have Louie, we have Vaughn, and of course, you might see Boss Abe from time to time, the bald guy from the last video. Yeah, he's our editor-in-chief and founder. And aside from all these people I've mentioned, there are more coming. We plan to expand throughout the year because, as Boss Abe says, instead of scaling down and decreasing the workload, let's just scale the company up so we can deliver more quality content on a regular basis. And another advantage of having this big a team, aside from quality, is, diversity. Especially in hosting. I know you guys love Kim. We love Kim also, but different hosts have different specialties and different areas of expertise. So for example, you might have seen me host the video we did with ASUS with the $5,000 PC build, because for me, I'm a PC guy. But I'm not necessarily a big smartphone guy as much as someone like Louie or Vaughn or Ali. So with this, you're gonna have the right host hosting a review on the right product that they know about. So that's one thing we're gonna improve with our review system. For this year, we're also bringing back Kenneth Game. We're gonna see a lot more Kenneth Game. We're maybe gonna launch a new series like Kenneth Game, focusing on maybe cameras or battery life. I know some of you guys were asking about that. And we are definitely going to relaunch Ask YugaTech. That thingy that Bob Freking used to do in 2017. Play the clip.
Hey guys, this is Bob Freking, and this is Ask YugaTech, where you get to ask us your questions with the hashtag AskYugaTech, or you can leave a comment on our Facebook page, the comment section, all of that.
And yeah, we kind of forgot about it this year. We were only able to do 1 episode last year, which is kind of sad. So for 2019, we are going to commit for now 1 Ask YugaTech a month. So to conclude, all these new improvements I'm talking about for this year, they might not come right away. It's a process. You know, we're learning together, we're growing together, we're improving together. But I do promise it's going to be worth the wait. We're really excited for this year. There's so much new products coming out, you know, there's so much stuff we have to cover. We have the new S10 coming out with that, you know, that S hole in the screen. You know, we have the iPhone 11. We have all this awesome stuff coming from Huawei, you know, the P30 series, the Mate 30 series, the Nova 4i. I know you guys are really waiting for the Nova 4i, and a lot more. So we can't wait to cover all of that, and I'm sure you guys can't wait for all of those videos. So please do be sure to come along for the ride this 2019. It's gonna be awesome. So if you like this video, if you're excited for all the new things we're gonna bring this year, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for all the videos we're going to upload for 2019. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time those videos get uploaded. And be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.